Okay, this is going to be a demo of our computer use agent that is deployed on StateSet Cloud. So we've defined a number of programs here that can be executed, and once they're executed, that'll basically use the browser to perform some task on behalf of the user. And so you can run this as like an isolated VM and machine, which is going to essentially execute different tasks. So the first thing we'll look at is we've defined a program. The program in this case is it's going to do some research on our company, and then using the research, it will then email me the results using computer use. So right now it just opened up Firefox, and the agent is going to go ahead and enter in search query, and then essentially email us with the results of what it finds about the company. So first thing it's doing, it's going to DuckDuckGo, and now it's going to go to StateSet. So this is kind of autonomously happening right now. You can see here, here's my mouse, and it's kind of just working in the background there. So we'll go ahead and search for information on the company. We'll use this information. Looks like it's scrolling a little bit. And yeah, once it has this information, it'll essentially email us with its results about the company. So this is kind of a basic research related computer use case. We'll take a look at a few other ones in a second. You can also see here like the different, this is basically the statistics on the computer use side. So you see like CPU, memory, disk space, things of that nature, which is kind of interesting. System information is also here. So I think the model's probably gathered most of the information that it needs. Let's see if it now creates an email with kind of our overview. Interestingly, it looks like it's just kind of combing the different like first links that it's seeing. Hasn't particularly gone into any of the sites. Let's see what it does next. It looks like it is thinking. Other interesting thing you can do is if you did want to see any of the details of like this program executing, you can go to view details, and you'll actually see right now it's opening up a new tab to navigate to Gmail, and then it takes a screenshot to essentially go into Gmail, and you know, now it's going to write up its email. So it's clicking on the to field. Let's see if it can write my email address. So that looks good. Let's see if it can click in. Fair enough. Now we need our subject and we need our overview. I think what it's going to do now is it's going to look up, it probably wrote using like edit file, probably wrote like some notes, and it will probably use those notes to essentially write up its report. So let's see what it writes. Looks like it is still thinking. Okay, here we go. Super interesting. All right, and it just sent the email. Great. So looks like it worked. Took about 7 minutes. You can run that in the background. Ask pretty much anything you want. That's pretty much it.